Accidental genius. Engineer Percy Spencer was working with radar in 1945 when he noticed the chocolate bar in his pocket had melted. Curious, he tried popping corn near the magnetron tube. It worked. Spencer realized the potential and set out to harness these mysterious waves for cooking. After some tweaks and safety improvements, the first commercial microwave hit the market in 1947. It was massive, expensive, and only used in restaurants. But by the 1970s, compact versions became a staple in American homes, forever changing how we heat leftovers.